space or hall is located on the first floor and connects 3 bedrooms and a bathroom.
Nej! Fy fan vad häftigt!
Eller hur?
Veronica found a way to open up the doors to the front balcony, and the moment when we open those doors, everything changes in its space. It just bathes in light. It's beautiful.
Jag tänker kanske man kan ha någon pall med någonting.
We love this hall. We think it's a go-to space in the house, and we hope to make it a social space. As well as a coffee corner to enjoy a very nice Italian espresso.